Idiots in the kitchen. I'm pretty much, you could consider me an idiot in the kitchen, but not really because I stay out of the kitchen. I'm not I know what I can do and I know what I can't do. And I'm not going to go in the kitchen and pretend that I can do something that I can't. That's how you set your house on fire. Or quite possibly yourself. Like, look at this girl in the thumbnail. It's probably a whole bunch of fucking grease. Okay. Idiots in the kitchen, funny food fails. Let's see. Damn. Yo, dude. I'm telling you, my dog snatches something out of my hands like that, I'm putting that little bitch in the kennel. I'm sorry, bro. That shit would piss me off so. You're going in the kennel for like 45 minutes, you little turd. You snatch food out of my hand like that. A bad dog. Ain't no way. Fucking dog.
3, 2, 1.
Damn.
Crack a bit of butter in there.
Wasn't really a food fail, she's just clumsy.
Look at that. It's just...
Look at him. He's so mad. I'd be mad too, bro. She just overloaded his shit with pepper. Oh no. Did you hear everybody? Oh no.
Give it a build. Give it a build.
Wasted a perfectly good omelet. What is that supposed to be?
La madre que te parió.
Not even laughing at the fact that he dropped the cake. I'm laughing at what she said. She was mad. I'm pretty sure that was for their kid's birthday or something. Madre que te parió.
La madre que te parió.
Damn. That's not really a food fail, but okay. I'm mad. You know what? I'm hungry. I'll still eat it. Yo, the dog didn't even flinch.
Seriously? Seriously? You gonna stand there on the food with your boots?
He tried. Wasted all that salt.
Oh, Dylan, that was all you, buddy.
I'll still eat it. I don't care.
Oh yeah. We have chicken alfredo.
I'm still eating it. 5 seconds. Yo, look at him. Yeah. His soul left his body. He was so sad. He went from so happy and now his whole day is ruined. Look at him. He was so happy. He's like, man, chicken Alfredo. It's gonna be so good. Damn.
Okay, jetzt.
Jetzt mach 22.
Schnell.
Achtung.
I'm breaking the machine. I'm breaking the machine.
That's what happens when Daddy cooks.
That's me. Guys, that's me. Don't put me in charge of cooking, guys. I'm telling you, if you put me in charge of cooking, you go hungry. I'm not even kidding. That guy, that's me. I'll fuck your whole kitchen up. Don't trust me. Don't trust me. Mm.
Why does this happen to me? Oh.
What is that? What is that supposed? Is that supposed to? What is that supposed to be? Is that mayonnaise? You jackass.
You've got to try this.
Bro, I'm telling you, man, some of these people that be dropping food on the floor, man, 5 to 10 seconds, I'll still eat it. I don't give a damn, bro. Dust it off a little bit, and I'm going in. I'm not wasting food, bro. I'm not.
Oh.
Did you drop it? I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. California rolls,
You've got to try this. Oh.
I'll still eat it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not above it.
Oh my god.
What happened? Did you make brownies and the is that brownies? I think that's brownies. And the heat cracked the glass of the damn. Temperature did you have that on?
Try again. Okay, one more. Last one.
Oh, they got him with an egg.
The hottest chili in the world, the Carolina Reaper. We're gonna do a spoonful taste test for you. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, let's see.
Mm.
Who's gonna die? Who's... Yo, watch the old man. Watch the old man take it the best. Watch. Watch all the young guns be like, "Oh no, I wanted to see more of that one." I think that old guy was gonna be like, "Man, all you young guns, a whole bunch of bitches. This is nothing."
Yeah. So here you go. You ready?
Oh, no, no.
What is that?
All right, this is what happens when you put spaghetti squash in the microwave. Is that what happens?
3 minutes to soften it so I could cut it.
I love this. I love this. I love this absolutely so much because stop taking pictures of your fucking food, bro. Please. Stop taking pictures of your food. I will do this to you. I will fuck up your whole shit so you can't take a picture of it. Would you like if I took a picture of my turd and sent it to you? No, you wouldn't. Stop taking pictures of your food. Just eat it, bro. Just eat it. Quit being weird. Quit like I've always disliked this type of thing with take a picture of my food. Congratulations, you made lasagna. Everyone can make lasagna. And in this case, you didn't even make that. Oh shit. Oh shit. Was that supposed to be chicken? I don't know what you did there. I have so many questions of what's going on in this clip. My man's is holding an umbrella while he's cooking indoors. What happened? Kind of lost on that one. Oh my god, and that looked like some good macaroni and cheese too.
So, jetzt lassen wir schön poppen hier.
Wo ist der Deckel?
Okay, Leute, wir finden den Deckel nicht.
Oh, popcorn. You gotta. You didn't know. Yo, no, hold the top. Hold the top. Hold the top. Oh no, he's mad.
Come on. Damn it!
Now your ceiling is gonna be orange for like 5 days. Yeah. Is there a hello?
Go show it to him. No.
Nah, bro. Was that a grasshopper in her salad?
Go show it to him. No.
Yo, this is American Airlines. What kind of goddamn business are y'all running here? Grasshoppers in your salad? I'm assuming she bought that inside the airport. And I see it too. American Airlines. What kind of operation y'all running here? With y'all's kitchen?
Go show it to him. No.
Depending on how hungry I am, I'll just fucking kill the grasshopper and still eat the salad. Really. That's gonna fall. That's not gonna be good. Yeah. You're gonna trip on your dog or your kid, one of the two. Oh no, you you just tripped all by yourself.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's how to make spaghetti. And you have to make sure that it's
I don't think that's you're not doing that right, man.
you have to make sure that there's water.
I'm not Gordon Ramsay or anything, but no. And on top of that, I think you put too much spaghetti inside that. It's gonna come out hard as fuck. What is that supposed to be? It's supposed to be a cookie? But does it taste good? I don't give a fuck what it looks like.
Also, it'll be good.
I was just trying to show off my cute little garlic cubes. I understand what happened there. Yeah, you failed. That was a fail. Yeah. Fuck it. Scoop it back on. Nah, scoop it back on. Where are you going?
I put too much in the pot.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so I'm on lunch break right now, and Dave's downtown is doing drone delivery, and the drone is literally coming up to my window with the food. Oh no. Okay. All right. Come here. No. Oh,
Damn.
dude.
There goes your
That was
food.
like $14.
Esqueci o garfo, doido.
I'd be more worried about the drone. That's more expensive.
Tô.
You left the fork inside the pan.
This is not. Okay, well. Oh no!
Is that supposed to be cookies or biscuits? I don't even know what that's supposed to be. Oh no.
Look at that thing right there. Look at this. I can hold it with a napkin because it's hot, but let me just.
Ooh, that looks good, actually. Yeah. Burn your goddamn taste buds off, bro.
I sure would eat you.
A big
That's defect food right there.
cucumber. It's goody.
A big cucumber? I'm pretty sure that's a watermelon, but I think, yeah. No, I knew it. It's a watermelon, bruh. Look at that. What are you talking about?
Wait.
No matter how hard you work,
the fuck?
unexpected can still happen. Luckily, you have reliable fiber internet.
The only cucumber I've seen that's that big is on fucking Pornhub. she dumb. You making some shrimp? Oh lord, that's hot.
really shrunk down.
Is that supposed to be mushrooms? Portobello mushrooms or something? What did you make?
Mom hack time. Okay, so take a strawberry,
Mm-hmm.
put it in an egg slicer.
Uh-huh. And then break your egg slicer. Nice. That's not a fail. My man, were they flaming hot Cheetos? That's the real question here. Yo, she was mad. Yo, guys, come on, man. Y'all need to stop putting plates and glass in the fucking microwave. Y'all need to stop putting this shit on the stove. Y'all are fucking up y'all's equipment, man. Come on now. It's glass. Again, I'm no Gordon Ramsay, but come on, man. Come on, guys. I mean, that was a good recovery.
Okay, am I in a stressful situation? Is this situation a little stressful? I don't sense no stress.
Do I scare him off?
Yo, he's going in. He's going in.
You gotta go.
Is it really on fire? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Well, now you can't eat it.
Dear. Okay, it's scaring me.
Pacchetto uovo. Ole, guarda.
That's fighting words. That's fighting words. Oh no. Oh, no. Poor girl. Like, let me get a piece, dog. Got burned.
Okay, I'm okay.
That grease.
Oh my god.
Your fire alarm's going off.
Alarm on. Okay, hold up. My steak.
Your steak's fucked. You need to worry about your house. Oh, there it is. Don't put water on it. Don't put water on it. Baking soda, girl. Baking soda.
Fuck, I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do.
Baking soda. That last guy was so demoralized. He had enough. He's like, fuck it. Fuck everything. I'm done. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I think that girl was trying to, yeah, Ashley, you're probably right. This girl right here, I think she was more trying to look cute than she was actually trying to make food, to be honest. Cooking over an open stove with your hair down. Come on now.